Hi everyone, welcome to another video on this channel. Today we're going to compare the iPhone 13 Pro cases, and I will explain the differences when it comes to your mobile phone protection, and also the pros and cons of each cases. Let's begin and find out which cases can give more protection when it comes to camera, screen, and accidental drops. First, we have the original Apple silicone case. It has a nice premium finish that you can feel when it's in your hand. I'd really like the microfiber texture inside of this case, which can give extra protection on your phone when it comes to scratches. And also, it helps to prevent some stains and smudges, especially the stainless part of your phone, which always leaves fingerprints. The microphone and speaker holes are perfectly aligned. The charging port has enough space for you to use a third-party charging cable. And the side part of this case, it gives enough holes for silent switch that can easily reach even if you have a bigger finger. The screen protection is not much in this case, which I installed a tempered glass on this phone, as you can see that the lift on this screen is less. When it comes to camera protection, this is fair enough to avoid your camera lenses to touch the surface. It has a nice touch on all buttons on these cases, since Apple always make the best when it comes to their products. You can get this case at $49 and in different colors of your choice. Moving on to the next iPhone 13 Pro case, which is the Rhino Shield Solid Suit. The premium finish on this iPhone 13 Pro case is nice, as you can see that the thickness on all sides is noticeable. A honeycomb design inside the case claims that can absorb up to 10% of shock resistance and up to 11 feet drop protection. The bottom parts has equal size of holes on both microphones and speaker, which is a bit of a downside for some users. This has a bigger charging port holes compared to Apple silicone case, which is great if you're going to use a third-party charging cable without any problems. It has a brand name written on the side of the case. The good thing in this case is made of a food-grade plastic. On the side part of this case, well, it's also a bit bigger silent switch compared to Apple silicone case. The camera bump protection on this case is better than the Apple silicone case. It has a nice touch when you press the button on all sides. The good thing in Rhino Shield cases, you can easily customize your case in different colors and buttons. And also, this is a customized prints collaboration with GOCR. You have more options in their website, you can check it out on your own. What I don't like in this case is so slippery in the hand. Rhino Shield said that the reason why the surface of this case is so slippery is for us to easily put in the pocket, which is a no for me. What do you think about this case? Please let me know in the comment section down below. You can get this case at around $30, which is cheaper than the Apple silicone case, with a good quality and premium finish. Once again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video.